Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chief Douglas White, Qualossalton of the Nanaimo First Nation, Geraldine Manson from the Nanaimo as well. We've got such a beautiful feeling in our hearts to be here and to see all of you here in our territory.
Hi, 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 hi. Great Creator, today it's about youth. Today it's about our youth gathering from many nations, coming here, sharing their wisdom, sharing their dreams, coming together for the future.
Just as the Chief of the Nanaimo First Nation, I wanted everyone to know that where we're gathered today is a very special place for our people.
I'm a singer, songwriter, actress, and environmentalist. And if there's a word, I would describe myself as a culturalist because I stand up for my culture. To do when we're trying to stand up to corporations and trying to stand up for our rights as Indigenous, that we need to get in that canoe and move together because we are stronger when we are united.
If we don't change today, the generation now, children of the future and revolution, creation's crying out, I can feel the pain, I can't walk away, so I'll do my part, fix what's broken and give back what we've taken, all for the dawn of a new day. I'm calling out to each and every person, join me in Earth Revolution.
You know what I don't get? You know the mob movies nowadays? It should be really hard to be a mobster nowadays because it's like everything's electric, right? So they roll up in their black car and they're like, roll down the window. That's me rolling down the window. Hey, tell your brother to have my money by Friday. And they roll up the window and they drive away, right? But back in the day, it must have been super hard to be intimidated. Because like you got the roll down window and you're sitting there and you roll up and you're like, hey, tell your brother to have my money by Friday.
The nominee recipient is Patrick Alec.
Nanaimo territory and going to school part-time. Get up here, brother.
Hachka Siam, Salquan, Hachka Siam, Ait Slaney, Ait Switka. My name is Hualapasit, and I come from Chemainus First Nation and Penalaket tribe. This award is for anybody that struggles and anybody that believes in themselves. This is about the we. This ain't about me. This is to show you that you can do it. Anything you set your mind to, you can do it. This isn't for me. This is for our people, our Kwamo people. And if you are down and out, believe in yourself, because that's where it starts. I wouldn't be where I am if I didn't reach out for help, if I didn't ask for help through my elders and my friends and my relatives. I want to thank you because I live here in Nanaimo, and this has been very inspiring to me to move forward with my life. Healing is a journey, not a destination, and there is help out there. Just believe. Pray to whatever you pray to. I love my family, I love my friends, and I love you all. Thank you.